Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. We'll be looking at our Kata Sanbon-Mae together. We'll have a look at it from the front, we'll have a look at it from the side. This is a walking kata. We're going to start by taking a few steps forward. I'm going to back up a little bit, get some room here. So start stepping forward with the right foot. And then as I step forward with my left foot, I'm turning it out to the side. I'm bringing my hands up to my saya and my sword, and I'm starting to draw here. Just like we're doing a standard conventional draw coming out for an overhead cut. But this is a false draw, trying to draw my partner, my opponent, into defending high. Now, as I take my next step through, I'm going to roll the saya over, and I'm coming up into an upward oblique cut. This is my true draw. And then from here, I step up, step out, downward oblique, chiburi, noto, and then I come back to where I started. Again, we're going to keep this one fairly slow to start with. 1, 2, and I've started my draw here. Then roll the saya with your left hand. As I do my third step, I'm drawing upward oblique cut, coming up and through here. Then my left hand's going to leave my saya as I step up, my right foot steps out, doing a downward oblique cut. Chudan no kamae, chiburi, and then I rescoured, I noto. All right, we'll try a little bit more quickly, but as you work with this, it's important, don't rush it at first. Try to get the movements nice and fluid. It may take a little bit of practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's have a look at this from the side. Okay. 1, 2, and I start the false draw. Then roll. 3, 4. Chudan no kamae, chiburi, and noto. All right, let's take one more look at that. And that is our kata Sanbon-Mae. We are working here with a false draw, this, and then we're rolling the saya over to draw into an upward oblique cut. And that part of it may well take a bit of practice with, that's just fine. Keep it nice and slow at first. Work with it, get the feeling for it, then gradually take it a bit more quickly. Thank you very much for joining me.